Right, here we are, finished, completed. It took just over 2 weeks to do the full installation. So this is a 1400 unit. The customer's actually bought this from B&Q, but we fitted it. It's took a bit of jiggery pokery with all the pipes and feed pipes because you don't get much room at the back, but we sorted that out. All the walls now have been tiled. Toilets in. This is what we call a closed back toilet, which means you don't see any of the pipe work. And it's a nice flat side so that it doesn't collect any dust, which is good. The tray is now in. So you've got a bit of an area where you stand, which is good. It's only 40mm high. The glass shower screen is 8mm thick. This is 1200mm wide. So you can see there's plenty of room when you're having a shower. It shouldn't splash out. The dual head, this is called the Middleton shower. So you turn it one way and the head comes on. Turn it the other way and this goes on. Fitted this grab rail, which is good. So you've got a bit of stability. Flooring. This is like a nice soft cushion floor, which has got a bit of an anti-slip on it. So that's good. So yeah, that's it. Okay, 2 bathrooms.